Hey fart faces, so today I'm going to be live reacting to Mrs. Crochet and Coffee's video of the unboxing of the diamond painting she did of my face. Yes, she got a diamond painting of my face, Mrs. Coffee. No. It all started, I believe, I don't know if she's going to talk about it in her video, but I think it was in Jeremy's live or Ruby's live. She was making this face with these emojis, the eye, nose, and an eye emoji. And I was like, that's so creepy. That's so creepy. And I got creeped out by it. And then in Jeremy's live, like weeks later, she was doing it. And then she's like, I think she was joking around, like, I'm going to get it custom made with your face and the face on it. And I was like, no, you wouldn't. Like, no. And then Jeremy was like, don't challenge Mrs. Coffee. And I was like, I really didn't think that she would do it, but she did it. So yeah, so let's react to this video, and hopefully it's not terrible. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and like say things. Maybe, I'm very nervous. Okay, let's see.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Miss Crochet and Coffee here, and today we're back with a unboxing. Yes. Now, you would know by the title what this canvas is, and if it's the canvas that we've all been waiting for.
No, I haven't been waiting.
I, at this current moment, do not know. I'm pretty sure it is the canvas that we've all been waiting for. So I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Now, I was currently getting ready to start another canvas, so this canvas came just in time. So, if you don't know what I'm talking about, a few weeks ago, I was in Jeremy Fryware's live. That's JTMJ Crafts, and Bev B's Diamond Paints was in there. I think that's how you say her name on YouTube's. She was in there, and on a dare, I didn't dare her. Now,
Mrs. Crochet and Coffee, I did not dare you. I just said you wouldn't. Like, I was like, oh my God, no, you wouldn't. And it wasn't a challenge. It was just telling you, you would not do that. But apparently that's a challenge or a dare.
I went with Crafties because they're who I trust to do a good custom diamond painting. And so, I went ahead and got the diamond painting. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what the diamond painting is of. Now, one of the things that is kind of like a joke between Bev and
she stole that image from my Instagram, and it was talking like where that hexagon is, or the honeycomb type thing. That was actually, it said something about like join my Patreon or something, because I was announcing my Patreon. So she stole that from my Instagram. She is an art theft.
and I is this little emoji thing with the eyes, and then of course, we call her Bevy. Hello, Bevy. So on a dare, I got this canvas, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. I'm going to work on it. I don't even care. So I got it, and it's finally here. So it did come with some parchment paper squares.
That's nice.
So let's take a look and see how well they did.
God,
now,
I'm nervous.
I have 2 things of drills. Holy moly.
I'm nervous.
This is a 40 by 70. It is a square because I wanted to have all the detail. And this came in perfect time because I literally just rearranged the diamond paintings on my back wall, and I left the space just for this canvas.
She messaged me on Instagram with a photo of the space.
It's not super huge. I'm hoping it won't take me forever.
Oh my God.
Happy. Looky. Oh my gosh. Look, guys, it's Bev. Isn't she adorable? That's so cute. I love it. So, this has a lot of...
I love when Mrs. Coffee's voice gets really high, like, Bevy, hi!
Both color blocking and confetti. I'm getting a lot of black in her sweater, and we have some confetti for her skin tone and her cute little glasses. Hi, Bevy. Boop the snoot. Boop the snoot. And then, of course... this is actually a thumbnail, I want to say, from one of her videos, and I covered up whatever was right here, and I put the emojis with the eyes, and I left her little bee because she's Bev Bees. So, we're going to take a look and see our legend, because it fell.
My skin tone is rendered
funny. It fell down here on the ground.
I'm scared about the color for my skin tone.
Look at it. So many of you have been asking for this canvas, and you guys, I am so happy to tell you that
no
it
one's
is finally
been asking
here.
for it.
So let's see. It looks like they did check it. It has a lot of colors. It has 50 colors.
Holy.
So we have 50 colors going on here. Looks like they did check. And I do trust Craft Ease when it comes to checking stuff. And if I don't have enough diamonds, I know I have it probably in my stash. So let's check the drills, and then we'll check the drill field, and we'll keep talking about how cute Bevy is. Hi, Bevy.
So creepy.
Bev is super excited for this canvas, y'all. She's super excited to see her face in the big lights. So you guys, I'm so excited. We're going to check to make sure that all of our drills are there, because I want this to be ready to go for Friday.
No! Mrs.
We're going to check the drills, and then we'll check the drill field, and then, yeah. So let me go grab...
She means Friday in her live? I'm not going to her live on Friday. I'll go, but I'm not going.
A pen. All right, so I got a pencil, because that's all I could find. So we're going to check for our 50 colors, because that doesn't look like 50, but we're going to check for them, and when I come back, we're going to look at the drill field. So we're going to time-lapse you so you don't have to sit through the boring stuff. So go ahead.
One of my pet peeves with like unboxing videos is when people show the whole thing and they say the colors out loud. I always just fast forward through that, so I'm glad that she's speeding this part up. Can't believe she actually did this. I've never had a custom from Crafties though, so I'm curious to see how this will turn out. And I've never done a custom with an actual photo before, so it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. It will be very interesting. Playing the piano. I can't play the piano. Can you guys play the piano? Let me know in the comments down below. I feel like people nowadays don't play musical instruments. Do they? Do your kids play musical instruments? My nephews play the cello. Cello? They play the cello. But that's because they go to music school apparently. So I don't know.
So we do have all of our colors. If you didn't notice, I had to pull out I had to go check the bag because some of them were missing and there was an extra bag and a toolkit. So in your toolkit, you're going to get a couple of plates of wax, 2 squishies, 2 white pins, one with a 3-placer, one with a 6-placer, pair of cheapo tweezers, and a white boat with a funnel. Y'all don't care about that. So
I love how she
we do
just
also
eats it.
have these lovely parchment paper squares that they provided for us. Now, I might actually use these, so I'm going to just put these off to the side. So we do have all of our drills, and I'm going to zoom you back in so you can see. Bring you down
really
into the business
zoomed
a little
in.
bit so I can show you the drill quality. So from the looks of it, the drills actually look really good. They're all really flat. They're very sparkly.
I didn't know it was a square.
Have you tried a custom from Craft Ease? If not, you might want to think about it. They have square and round. They let you upload your picture. Like, look at the quality of those squares. They actually look really good. I'm not seeing anything. There's little dimples in them, but that doesn't affect anything. I'm not worried about the little dimples. I'm worried about seeing like knobbly bits on the squares or something like that, which I am not seeing on these. So that is wonderful. So the drill quality does look really, really good.
Yeah?
Now, do keep in mind that all companies will have a little bit of trash in their drills, and that's okay. I'm not worried about a little bit of trash. It's when it gets to be, like, obnoxious with the knobbly bits or something like that that I have a problem with. So, we're going to put this off over here because I'm not going to put it away because I'm going to kit it up immediately.
No!
Immediately. So, let's take a look
Why
here.
would you do that?
Now, we're going to look at the symbol clarity.
Oh, no.
Let's freak out Bev for a second because we got to look at her skin tone. So as you can see,
oh my goodness,
the symbols are nice and clear. I'm not seeing any symbols that are going to give me any headaches. I am probably going to change the pupils of her eyes because it looks like they are supposed to be 939, which is a dark blue. I think I might change these to rhinestones or something.
Rhinestone
I saw that Tmall is hosting an event with DP with sparklers, and I might want to get in on that. So yeah, she has all different colors going throughout her hair here. Like, look, her hair is hella confetti. I can't wait to tackle that. But look at the cute little face. Hi, Bevy. Hello, Bev. Dun dun. It's like Bev's worst nightmare. It's that symbol she loves so much. Just super big and with her name on it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This canvas is going to be so much fun to work on.
No, it's not.
So if you would like to see me work on this canvas, please join me. I will be working on it in my Whip-In chats.
No.
Friday night lives. I go live here on the channel every Friday night at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is 10 p.m. Eastern. And if you're Pacific, that is 7 o'clock p.m. So the drill quality looks really good. The symbol clarity actually looks really good. It is poured glue. It does have a legend on both sides. So we have a legend over here. And we have another legend over here. And so, yeah, for those folks that have been waiting for me to get this kit. Hold on a second. I just pulled you out of my tripod here. For those who have been waiting for this kit to come in, it has finally arrived. I am going to kit this up literally right now, so that it will be ready for you guys to see us work on Friday.
Why?
So I hope you guys join us. But with that said, I got to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Bev, for being a good sport, whether you like it or not. You dared me, and I'm doing it.
I didn't dare you.
With that said, folks, come watch me work on Bevy from Bev B's Diamond Paints. It's going to be a lot of fun to work on her, so I can't wait to see what she is like done, and I'm going to put her up on the wall so that everybody can see her anytime they come into my house. So with that said, folks, thank you again so much for watching. Stay caffeinated, stay crafty, and stay safe. Wear a mask, wash your hands, don't touch your face in public. That's gross. Keep your 6 feet and always try to be kind, be courteous, be cool. Bye, guys. Bye, Bevy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I literally, oops. I literally don't know how to feel, guys. I don't know how to feel. It's weird. It's weird seeing your face in a diamond painting of like I think like my mom, if my mom diamond painted, would she I don't think she'd even want to diamond paint my face as her child. Like, it's weird. It's weird. It's awesome. But also like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe Mrs. Crochet and Coffee did that. But I do go to her lives every Friday. I make a point of it. So if you guys haven't, if for some reason you don't go to her lives, I highly suggest it. It's a really great time. And we'll see if she actually puts down diamonds or drills on my face or on the canvas when she on her live when she diamond paints, because on her lives she'll literally like just put down 1 or 2 drills. Excuse me, I am there for the diamond painting, not for you, Mrs. Coffee. join Mrs. Crochet and Coffee on her channel. And I don't know what else to say about this video. I am excited but also very nervous to watch her work on this. And thank you for watching, and thank you, Mrs. Crochet and Coffee, for saying that I dared you, even though I didn't. I did not dare her, guys. Just so you guys know, it wasn't a dare. I was not challenging her either. Thanks a lot, Jeremy and Ruby. Thank you so much for everything you've done. You peer pressured her. Well, no, I don't think anyone can peer pressure her. You've basically supported her in this journey, and I hate you both. Okay, bye guys. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do post videos on an almost daily basis, and I'd love to have you as part of my hive. Bye!